been down through the van like a ship rolling over the sea. You gotta hold on to both ends while riding in your toboggan. You miss excitement and thrills when you are a simple like me. Mount up, make over the hills, supporting in your toboggan. Boy, am I hungry. Service!
Keep your shirt on, Buster.
Hey, watch it!
Well, what do you want?
A T-bone steak.
We ain't got any.
Well, how about pork chops?
We're out of those.
Fried shrimp?
No.
Fried eggs?
No.
Well, let me see a menu. I'll try the chili and beans. But I didn't mean anything.
You ordered it. A skate key, 3 bottle caps, a fish hook, and 2 buttons. Well, you're gonna wash dishes, Buster. Now get to work. And if you break one dish, I'll break your neck.
Boy, that was close. I better put them away.
I'll kill him. Come out, Woodpecker, wherever you are.
Achoo!
He's not in there.
Nope.
There.
Nope.
Now, where's he hiding? Tomorrow, I'm going to start serving woodpecker stew.
No, take it easy, Mrs. Meany. Now, my baby, now to sleep. What happened?
Oh, rats, I'm out of bullets. I'll go get some more.
You might as well go get the popcorn, folks, while Miss Dummy here gets some more bullets. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, and I'm loaded for bear. Now you go stand over there so I can shoot you.
Oh, but pardon me, Mrs. Meany, but how many bullets do you have in that gun?
Well, if you want to know, Mr. Smarty Pants, I got 4.
That's all I wanted to know.
Uh-huh.
That's 1. That's 2. That's 3.
And this is 5.
Don't be hanging around. I'll be seeing ya.
Hold it right there.
I thought you said you only had 4 shots.
So I lied a little bit. Now get back to those dishes.